Here's everything I ate at IU's concert here in the Philippines. In fairness, nag-improve selection ng food and taste. So after ng strap and claim of merch, we got a freebie na cookie, and in fair, ang sarap niya. It's chunky yet chewy tapos not overly sweet. And after that, nag-lunch kami sa food pavilion. Appetizer namin is chicharon bulaklak. Akala ko medyo magiging malambot tapos hindi masarap yung chicharon bulaklak. Pero guys, ang sarap niya. Then we were intrigued by this kebab na sobrang laki, 120 pesos yan. Sana sa darating na concert, nandito pa rin sila kasi ang sarap ng kebab, hindi matigas, tender yung meat, the seasonings were also right. Samahan mo ng garlic mayo sauce nila, tsaka spicy mayo, grabe. Nakakatanggal ng pagod. Ang wash down, nag-lemonade kami, this is 100 pesos, grabe. Susunod magdadala na lang ako ng powder juice. Tapos bumili din kami ng isaw at barbecue. Sa isaw, nasa kamahalan na side siya, pero siksik naman yung pagkarami sa isang stick. Tapos hindi kami nakontento sa isang drink, so bumili pa kami ng shake. Nung nakita ko yung cheese shake, nagningning yung mata ko. So yun yung binili ko. Tapos pina-add ko na lang ng pearl. Porter barbecue, masarap din. Then nung nasa arena na, we got an ice cream.